Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change the frame size of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now from here we have this clip right here, and as you can see the frame is too big for the video right here. So you either have changed the frame size of your video right here by itself, or you can change the scaling of your video right here by right-clicking on it and click on set to frame size. As you can see, it automatically adjusts, or you can go for scale to frame size right there. As you can see, it is now filled right here, but as you can see, it's too zoomed in right here. There are a lot of details that you won't be able to see. So what we will do to change the frame size itself so that it would fit the video is you want to click here on set sequence right here and go into sequence settings right here. So you can change the frame size right here. So first, let's find out what the frame size of the video is, and right click here and go into properties, and it's 1920 times 1080. So we're going to go into sequence settings right here, and let's go set it to 1920 1080 right there. Hit OK, and then go for OK right here, and you can set this to your value. As you can see, it now suits it perfectly. There is no wasted angle right here because it's the same frame size as the video. So that is basically how you change the frame size. Or you can simply do it like this. When you import your clip, your first clip, this won't work if it's not the first clip, just like this one, and there would be a warning that would pop up that it's a mismatch. Then you could click here on change sequence settings so that it would adapt to the frame size of your video that you have imported. So that is basically it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.